Hey guys, Mike Glenn, SIS Global Investigations here. Wanted to make another video piggybacking off the last video, which is about cell phone investigations. Let's talk about computers, like desktops, laptops, tablets, things like that nature. As far as people spying on you, eavesdropping on you, seeing what you're doing on your computer. There's keylogger programs that a husband, wife, boyfriend, fiance, whatever, someone spying on you can install on the computer, where they can see all your logins, activity, messages, everything. So again, you do got to be careful who just gets on your stuff and just messes around with it. Again, someone could get on there and get a jump drive and download a bunch of your stuff off your computer. They could also install a spyware app on the computer. And then again, I'm not a computer guru guy, but with the remote accessing, you commonly do if there's an IT guy helping you out on that. I'm not sure. I've asked guys before. I think there's a way where they can keep that open or set something where they can remote access at any time. So I'll have to double check on that one for you guys, but there is a lot of different ways. And also, with all the phishing scams, clicking on a link, clicking on a wrong thing, and allowing someone access to your computer. Or, if it's like a fake Facebook login thing, now they got your Facebook login, now they can go to your real account, hack it, do all of this and that. Maybe your banking information. I mean, there's credit cards, there's tons of things you got to be careful of nowadays. So as far as your computer, again, though, have the proper security protocol on the programs on the computer to protect it. Be careful about who is just hopping on your computer and doing whatever. And then if you have a reason to believe that there is something weird going on there, it's running slow, but not from viruses, because of some type of programs downloaded on there, maybe. I don't know if computers will kind of reflect some of the suspicious symptoms of like a cell phone, the powering on, powering off things. But be careful of also your desk cam. People can easily remote access that desk cam, see everything going on in your home, watch you. If you're a man or a woman, see you changing clothes, see you when you're nude or whatever, see your children walking around the house. I remember there were some schools that got in trouble for literally they were monitoring like the kids. They brought home the school laptops, and there were some major issues over that. If you really want to see everything on the hard drive, some guys do the forensic scan of the hard drives where they literally charge like $5,000 and up to go through and literally systematically check everything on the computer, see what this person has done, what they've tried to delete, what all they've accessed. And that's something that's very tedious and very in-depth. That's not going to be something that's done all the time. So be very cautious. Again, someone could take a flash drive and install some type of program on there. They could also take whatever information or files are on your computer, and then they can save those and keep those. So just protect all your stuff, guys. Be cautious of logging in Wi-Fi at a business like Starbucks or a hotel. A lot of times those networks are not secure. Someone can use that as a gateway and get into your system via that as well. So there is a lot to this, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you like the video, share it, subscribe, the whole deal. All right, guys, talk to you soon.